Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of Betmgm. So we are facing a technical error on our Betmgm app, and because of this our application is not working and it is showing a message that sorry, due to technical error, connection lost. So we're gonna fix this issue, and if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end. So as mentioned in the message that this issue occurs because of technical difficulties, and so there's a high probability that this is a developer side issue, and in order to fix it, first of all check the server status of Betmgm and also check the official Twitter page of Betmgm because they update their feed whenever there is a known issue or error. The next thing you have to do is to check your internet connection. If you are using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi connection if possible because they provide more strong connection than mobile data, and if you are already using Wi-Fi connection, then once reset your router, and for that just unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds and plug in back, and on your device forget the connection and reconnect again. If this occurs because of server, then you can't do anything, you simply have to wait. Secondly, update your device and also update the application. Also clear cache data of the mobile application. If you are using browser version, then simply clear the cache data of the browser. Just click on this three dot option, go to settings, go to privacy and choose what to clear and simply click on clear. If this method does not work, then simply contact the customer support of Betmgm. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.